Welcome to GT Travel Insights. The W in Amsterdam has two sides. You got W Bank and W Exchange. We stayed on the bank side, which I would say is more sophisticated, whereas the exchange side was more modern and trendy, but both just as nice as one another, just in different ways. The first part of the video is the bank side, but the rooftop known as W Lounge was on the exchange side. A Hugo Spritz is one of my favourite drinks, and they made one of the best I had ever tasted. This is also where you found the outdoor pool. It was very narrow but lovely for a dip to cool down during the hot weather. You also have an indoor pool at the spa. However, we were not allowed to record in there, but it's definitely worth a visit. We got told it is the best spa in Amsterdam. Our room had 2 levels with a chill area on the bottom floor and a bedroom and bathroom on the upper floor. I really enjoyed the layout of the room. It was something different to your usual. Each side has their own restaurant too. You got Mr. Porter, a steakhouse, with indoor and outdoor seating on the exchange side. Here we had the most delicious chocolate cake dessert ever. Then you have the Duchess, a Michelin star restaurant where everything from starters to desserts and even the sides were phenomenal and left a long-lasting impression. For location, I'd give it a 5 out of 5, cleanliness a 5 out of 5, pricing 4.5 out of 5, facilities 4.5 out of 5, comfort 5 out of 5, staff 5 out of 5, therefore overall it gets a 4.8 out of 5. For the rest of the video there'll just be some music playing. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.